Hello guys, this is my one of another video. As I told you, I will post all the strategy videos on the weekend. That means on Saturday and Sunday. So today I will discuss regarding the setups. What setups I usually follow. So as the channel name itself, it is a CPR indicator. So I use CPR. So most of the traders they know there are two type of indicators. One is lagging indicator and is leading indicators. And lagging indicators which indicates you uh, in a slower speed. Okay, but in leading you will get the trade prior to the other person they get to know. So that is difference between leading and lagging. CPR is nothing but a label. Okay, this is a label, and how we are drawing a support and resistance. Same way, CPR automatically will draw a range as well as it will give you S1, S2, R1, R2, so that you will be able to mark the proper level where the market can retrace or it can break. If you are retracing, you take a pullback trade. If market is breaking, you just take a breakout trade. So if the market is breaking the price, we have to confirm with the best indicators. So that is why CPR is a best indicator in my opinion. Okay, so based on this indicator, all the strategy I will let you know. Before posting the strategy, first I will discuss of the setups. What all are the labels you have to get in your systems initially. So there are three things. When you are going to trade, first you have to check pre-market analysis. You have to do the pre-market analysis. Then you have to check the sentiment analysis in the global level. Then you have to draw the levels. Okay. So three things you have to check. So initially I'll tell you how this setup you can build in your systems. So trading view, you have to go here. You have to CPR by KGS. This you will type here. Then automatically everything will come. Initially in CPR, in normal CPR indicator, you will not find this day low and day high. But in that KGS, you will find that a day low mark automatically and day high things automatically. So you don't have to draw it manually. So that is a benefit you will get here. Apart from that, whatever color you want to give on that indicator, I have just put this is the style. Okay, so R1, R2, R3 I kept. Okay, then daily TC means this 3 CPR is there. Okay, this is the TC. Okay, one second. BC and daily pivot. BC is down. Sorry, BC in the this one is up. TC is the down and daily pivot in the middle. Okay, this all consists called as CPR. This is a range 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is a bottom CPR. This is top CPR. This is a CPR. BC means bottom CPR. TC means top CPR. CPR means normal CPR. This is the level, and this all together gives a range, and from where price can act as a support or resistance. So this is the setup. I'll tell you again. So I kept also monthly, weekly pivot also I kept here. This is a yellow line. Okay. And if you want to keep a monthly pivot also, this is monthly pivot also you can keep. Okay. These all are the range I am keeping. Okay. This is the about the setup. Again I will tell you, first you have to go to the indicator, then you have to CPR by kgs you have to type, then you have to go to the setting. In setting, what about the colors? I just kept the colors like Delhi, the Delhi resistance 3 I kept here this color, R2 I kept this color, and R1 I kept like this color. Okay. So if you want to change the setting according to your things, you have to change. This is how the setup it is. So apart from that, what you have to do when you will do the free market analysis, so you have to go little longer time frame. Let us 15 minutes candle you have to go, and here you have to mark the label where market has come down very fastly. Suppose this one. Okay. This one you can mark here. You can put a ray, you can mark here. Okay. From here market can resist. Okay. If will market will go come to here, and here bearish signal it produce, the chances of market to come down is there. So you have to select like this way. Okay. Similarly you have to go to the bottom and check where market can resist. See, you simply select simpler a here. You can see this label is this label, it breaks. Okay. It breaks. Okay. And from here little it came down here, and from here it give a bounce back here. Okay. So this acts a good support that you can see here. Okay. This level. Okay. So this is for the trade. Okay. Apart from that, you have to check, you have to go that day, you have to see the market condition. Normally I follow this one, Yahoo Finance. So you have Yahoo Finance, you will go, you will be able to see the global market how it is doing there. Okay. Here you are you can able to see what is the other markets like UK market, US market they are doing. Okay. And all the news from here you will be able to get it. Okay. uh, that is a good things, because see you will be able to see in S&P is positive, and Dow is positive, Nasdaq is positive, Russell is positive, crude oil also is positive, gold is positive. So it's showing that there is a bullishness in the market global zone. So this should be this should keep in your mind, because we have to get maximum edges in the market when we are going to trade. At least we should be having maximum edges other than this. If you are edges even 10% better than others, that is the good thing, because then only we can exceed others. Otherwise how will be different from others. So these things I follow. Then I go check actually what FII and DI are doing. Okay. FII and DII they are doing. So for that I don't go lot things, I just check this stockage that is also freely available. So simply you go here. So stockage also you can go, you will be able to see this FII cash. So here you are able to see there FII sold their position. So they both are contrary. Global is telling it is positive, and FII are negative. So this is an indecisions. Okay, indecisions. You have to wait that day what Indian market is doing on based on that only because that day market is important. Even though you will think that market is negative by FII, if I'll sell the things, it won't work. Okay, it won't work. So this is all about the setup. So hope this video is helpful to you. I'll try to start the strategy 1 2 3 like 27 or 28 strategy I'll share, but before that you have to understand these things. As I told you, you have to understand the CPR properly. So CPR, as I told you, this I'll tell you, this is BC, this is TC. BC means bottom CPR, CP is top, sorry, TC is top serial. This is a middle CPR. We are telling pivot. So this makes a range. Okay, this makes a range, and most of the time, if CPR is coming, see you can see from here to from here it is coming down. That means market is in the downtrend. Okay, from here to here it's coming down. If it will go top like this, okay, this is a downtrend, you can clearly see. Okay, if market from you see from here it started going up, then it started going up, okay, again started going to up. Okay, so this is called, this is a uptrend market. Okay, and one more thing, if CPR is very wide, that market is likely to be a sideways market in that day. But most of the time nowadays it is, and no, it is most of the time, not all the day. Okay, so if market is like very narrow, okay, like very small, it can break these things, so it can be trending. Here you can see there is a very small shape here, it has a good trending day. Okay, here also you can able to see. Okay, but here also is a small CPR, so it broke and is very good trending market. Here you can read big, but it is a sideways market. Here it's also kind of big, it's sideways market. Okay, it also kind of big, so it is a sideways market. You are able to see this thing. Okay, so first plot these things in your systems. Okay, so that whenever I'll tell you the strategy, it will be easy for you. So I am just keeping a previous day low. For me it is important, previous day low, previous day high, and this CPR, these three lines. Apart from that, here R1, R2 and R3, and down S1 and S2, S3. This six level for me important. Apart from that, any demand and supply zone like this I have drawn here. Here you can see this five levels for me very important. So whenever market comes to there is chances of having reactions. On that reactions we have to take the advantages. So thanks guy, this will benefit. Once you understand this, next video onwards I'll start doing the strategy sharing. Thank you, goodbye.